Okay, hi student. So today we are going to do our last revision for chapter 1. So after we finish this chapter, we are going to learn chapter 2, depending on how fast we can finish. So today is 20 January and it's our last revision for biodiversity. For month we have 13 chapters, so basically around 1 month we need to finish 1.3 chapters, something like that. So let's do some revision until I think we do a lot of it. Biodiversity is the variety of living things that exist on Earth. Correct or not? Biodiversity, variety of living things that exist on Earth. Diversity, you can see from the same word, diversity, variety. I mean, like, if you are good in English, you know that variety and diversity is quite similar. And bio means living things. So yeah, here is living things. So biodiversity is variety of living things that exist on Earth. So okay, so we can see that it exists on Earth. Why is it important? Okay, of course, generate economy. You want to earn money, correct or not? You know, export wood. How you want to earn money? You want to export some resources. Ecological and educational resource. Okay, so we want to learn educational thing. Biotechnology and medical, we can make medicine by biodiversity to maintain a balanced ecosystem. Provide various natural resource in the terms like natural resource. Okay, so provide various natural resource like what? Like wood and so on. And it provide ecological service. Okay, provide ecological service. Like maybe we can have a lot, actually it's more than this lah. We can have tourism, we can have, like, correct or not, people want to come to Sabah to see beautiful beaches, beautiful animals. And if you don't have beautiful fish, beautiful animal, then why people want to come to your country? Okay, endemic species is the species that only can be found on the earth. Certain species only, okay? Don't So one is endemic species. Endemic species and another one is endangered species. You use blue pen. Not to be confused with these two species. Correct or not? Endemic species only certain place on the earth. Like in Malaysia, we have a few endemic species. What are the example endemic species in Malaysia? Like the Malayan tiger, if I'm not mistaken, is only can be found in Malaysia. And endangered species is the species that are in danger of extinct. Okay, for example, like we have the uh, rhinoceros and depend on what animal lah. There are or dugong. There are endangered species. Okay. So let's do some exercise. Okay, so why biodiversity is important? So what sources? So for the first one, it will be ecology sources. Actually, at the top there. Okay, so I just write down here ecology, ecological sources. B, supplies what? Supplies food, correct or not? If don't have biodiversity, we don't have fish. And don't have fish means you don't have food. Generate what? Generate money, correct or not? Because you want to get money. You can sell the fish, sell the generate money, economy. So the elephant task and to earn money. Maintain, so maintain natural cycle. Okay, and lastly, provide sources for blah blah and blah blah blah. So this one is easy. Provide sources for medical and biotechnology. Okay, let's print here. So medical and biotechnology, correct or not? The medicine that you eat, the Panadol that you take, the cough medicine that you take, the drug that you take, all is in terms of medical, right? And biotechnology, what does it mean by biotechnology? Okay, so biotechnology is, you know, the word bio, living things, and technology. So biotechnology, there are a lot of things that we can do. For example, like producing better crops. Last time during my days, I only can eat the best food I can eat for durian D24. Now you have D25, D26, D27.5. So all this is new species. Depend on what species got no definition. I'm saying in this term of species, okay? Means you got bigger meat, sweeter. So without biotechnology, you cannot do it. Or you want to produce a bigger cow, bigger mango tree. That's why we have Japan mango, Japan grape, and is all this is biotechnology or GMO product, which is not good. GMO means genetic modify. GMO, genetic modify. Oh, it's what? I forgot already. Okay, the food. Last time, oh, wait, it's a hot topic from the news, right? From China. And then I think Malaysia banned it already. Genetic modified food. Okay. Malaysia is one of the 12 blah 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 countries in the world. So, in the world, I think like 100 plus country, right? So, but Malaysia is one of the 12 what? So the student want tips. So let's give him some tips. Start with M and 2 words. After that B. How many words? Okay, yeah. Start with B. Okay or not? Correct. Okay, the student got the answer. So the answer is mega biodiversity. Correct or not? Malaysia is one of the mega biodiversity. Means mega what? Mega means not mega. Mega. Mega means what? Big, right? That's why we go to Kuala Lumpur, we call it Mid Valley Mega Mall. Mega Mall means big mall. Mega mall. So of course Malaysia is also considered as mega biodiversity. Why Malaysia is considered as mega biodiversity? Okay, so Malaysia is considered as, well, of course we still got a lot of living things, but Malaysia is considered as mega biodiversity due to two things. One is the climate and the habitat, correct or not? Due to our Malaysia, thank to God, we don't have volcano, we don't have tsunami, we don't have 4 seasons, we only have 1 season, summer. We got a lot of water. So with this, we have a lot of trees compared to like desert or North Pole, South Pole, ice, so hot, no, nothing can live there. In fact, this is Malaysia. If you want to follow the line, you walk until the further part of the another side, there is the Amazon forest. So basically, our climate and Amazon forest is quite similar. You know Amazon forest? I think Amazon forest is the largest forest in the world. That still haven't been explored by human. Many parts of Amazon forest still haven't been explored by human. So if you want to be a researcher, you want to get some new species, new plant, new picture, new photograph, you can visit Amazon forest. Just don't die inside there lah. Okay. The effect of deforestation. So you know what is forest? Deforestation means cut the tree. Okay, I don't want to use the word cut the tree. The proper English word we say deforestation. More professional, right? Deforestation. The effect of deforestation including destroying the and extinction. Okay, so the effect of deforestation include destroying the habitat. Oh, yeah, sorry. Let's put in this one. Habitat. And extinction. What extinction? Is the species extinction. Correct or not? What do you mean by habitat? So maybe I can say habitat is the place animal live. So the effect of deforestation destroy the place animal live, or we say it habitat, and species extinction. Of course, some of the species already extinct, right? What are the example of species that already extinct? So these are the few example of animal that already extinct. Means no more already, cannot find already. So you can see example, the famous one is dodo bird. I think recently only, right? Not even like 100 years, right? When dodo bird extinct. I mean, it's like quite recent lah. Tasmanian tiger is one of the famous one. But we know like dinosaur is very long time ago. It extinct. But dodo bird is quite recently. Okay, and a few more. Okay, so extinct already. Hopefully, maybe due to biotechnology, they're able to clone it and make it come back alive. Hopefully, correct or not? Human already managed to clone animal, just in case you don't know. Same one, the animal. The animal name is sheep, dolly. Exactly the same, but they don't want to do in human. They stop the research because they say it's unethical. But actually, by using the same method, they can clone even human. Means by now technology can make me and another me. Same face, exactly same eye, same ear, same hand, okay? But they stop the research already, I don't know. I think the main reason is they say it's unethical, means morally it's not correct. But if you can do this, it's good. Clone this animal. Species, species is the species that is found in certain places on the earth. This one we just learned. So why is it? Species that is only found in certain places on the earth. So still remember, we just learned just now. Endemic species only can be found in the certain of the earth. So can I copy this word? So I just copy this, Control C. Let me show you magic. You know magic? Let me show you magic. I see. I put my word. Control V, magic. Endemic species is the species that only can be found in this place on the earth. Endangered animal is the species that are going to be extinct. You know or not? I mean, endemic species, only certain species that is found in Malaysia, like Malayan tiger and is it hornbill? Hornbill, is it considered as endemic species? Okay, for example, this is the bird that only can be found in Malaysia. Correct or not? and Malayan tiger. Orang-utan, I'm not sure. Orang-utan. So it's very nice because only Malaysia got this bird. If another country got this bird, means they steal from this country. Correct or not? You steal from Malaysia. Like China. Only China got pandan. Panda bear, correct or not? The white black pandan bear. If you say you got Malaysia, suddenly I found one, means you are a liar. Because we know that pandan bear only China got only. You go Russia, go China, go Amazon forest, also you cannot find. Only in China. So this one is only in Malaysia. A few more animals, okay? Only in Malaysia. But people always show this lah. Maybe it's very beautiful. Huh? I also think it's like very beautiful. Not beautiful. Very like beautiful. Yep. Two example. Now we're talking about endangered animal. What does it mean by endangered animals? You can say endangered animal is animal that are facing the threat of extinction. Means if you don't take care of the endangered animal, it's going to extinct. Extinct is not good. Like the dodo bird last time used to be a lot extinct. So now if you want to eat, also you cannot eat. It will disrupt the whole ecosystem when one animal extinct. For example, suddenly mosquito extinct. It will really disrupt the whole ecosystem, correct or not? No mosquito means the frog got less food. The less frog, less snake, and then you don't have less frog, more insect, all this ecosystem will be affected. So an example of endangered species in tropical rainforest, correct or not? Malaysia always rain, so we call it rainforest. So what are the endangered species? So basically you just need to find two. So maybe we can write Malayan tiger and Malayan tapir. Okay, so that's it for this video. We are going to take a short break and I see you in the next 10 minutes. Thank you and bye-bye.